Alright, so if you're into online marketing, I would like to show you how you can ethically steal your competitors targeting. Assume that you are on Facebook and you saw an ad on Facebook. Let's say you saw an ad like this, and it is actually in the niche that you are interested in, and you want to know exactly the targeting that this particular competitor is focusing on. You want to know their target audience, you want to know their demographics, you want to know their detailed targeting, you want to know the kind of people they are targeting, you want to know the region they're targeting and their age range and all of that. So what you need to do is you come over here, you see this red button here, this three red button. So you tap on it, you're gonna see save posts. You're gonna see save posts, you're gonna see save posts, you're gonna see hide ads, you're gonna see report ads, you're gonna see view edit history, and then you're gonna see why am I seeing this ad. That is the one you want to click on. Why am I seeing this ad? This is the one you want to click on. So you tap on it and this time around you're going to see what they are targeting. You're going to see their detailed targeting, you're going to see their age range, and you're going to see their location. Right now, for the detailed targeting, you're seeing why you're seeing this ad. Done for You Funnel wants to reach people like you who may have shown interest in advertising, online advertising, and more. This shows you that they have more than one detailed targeting here. So what do you want to do? You want to click here and tap on it. So when you tap on it, it opens you to a whole list of the detailed targeting that they are doing. So they are targeting people who are interested in advertising, they are targeting people who are interested in online advertising, they are targeting people who are interested in digital marketing, they are targeting people who are interested in affiliate marketing, and lastly, they are targeting people who are interested in marketing automation. So these are the 5 target audience that they are targeting to reach their audience. So you if you're running ads in similar niche, you can just write this targeting audiences, you can just write it down and use it in your own targeting to reach the exact audience that they are trying to reach. Right now, you go back, you look at the age range they are targeting. They are targeting the age ranges of 18 to 40. Now, if you're trying to sell exactly what they're selling, you could target the same age range, or you could increase it a bit, because you might want to look at, oh, okay, I want to target people who are who have spending power to buy what I'm selling. So you could do maybe from 20, 21 to 40, depends on. But if you want to copy exactly the age range they're using, you can see the age range they're targeting here and make use of it as well. Their location is Nigeria. Some persons will have specific location, but they are targeting the whole of Nigeria. So this is exactly how to know exactly who your competitors are targeting and to ethically steal it from them. I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you learned from it, and do give this video a thumbs up, like it, and share it with your friends. And also remember to turn on the bell notification icon and give me a follow. I have more interesting videos coming up that you are going to love, that's going to help you build your business, run Facebook ads, convert more sales, and every other thing in between on how to make money online, including sales and marketing tips and hacks. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.